I wish to ask Alice Goo. Miss Alice, sino po ang sinundan yung mayor?
Former Mayor John Feliciano.
Come again?
Former Mayor John Feliciano.
Joe Feliciano.
John Feliciano.
John Feliciano. And how associated are you? Gaano ka ba kalapit dito kay John Feliciano?
Magkaibigan po, Your Honor. Nakilala ko po siya, I think, during his second term.
Second term? Can you
Opo.
cite the year?
Di po ako masyado sure na sa year. Second term, kung di po ako nagkakamali.
Siya ba ay nakatapos ng 3 termino?
Yes po, Your Honor.
In other words, if you're referring to the second term, you met John Feliciano sometime in 2016 to 2019.
In between po, Your Honor.
In between 2016 to 2019. Ang sabi mo kanina, kaibigan mo si John Feliciano. Can you please enlighten us? Gaano kayo kalapit na magkaibigan?
Your Honor, magkaibigan, magkakilala kami. Nagkakilala kami nung second term po niya na kumuha po ako sa kanya ng business permit para sa piggery. And then, last term po niya, I think pandemic time na rin po.
Did you help in the campaign of John Feliciano in 2016?
Hindi po.
Did you help John Feliciano in 2019?
Hindi din po, Your Honor.
In other words, since you met John Feliciano, wala kang naitulong sa kanya pagdating sa kanyang kampanya. Is that correct?
Financially, wala po.
What do you mean by financially? If not financially, then what else or how else will you help him politically?
Of course, Your Honor, yung mga ibang botante po namin sa farm, kinakampanya po namin, yung mga ganun lang po.
And how many voters do you have in your farm?
I have, during that time, ngayon po kasi wala na, totally wala na. By that time po, siguro po more than 50 or more than 70 po.
Alam mo, Alice, mahirap tumakbong mayor. As a matter of fact, it is very difficult to win kung wala kang leaders, supporters, na tutulong sa'yo. Since you've known John Feliciano since 2016, kung hindi ikaw ang tumulong sa kanyang politika, then who did? Sino ang tumulong kay John Feliciano?
Your Honor, I think the former mayor is here po. Better siya po yung sumagot kasi hindi rin po ako yung tumulong po sa kanya.
May we ask John Feliciano, the former mayor?
Yan, dito kanina. Mayor Feliciano?
Can you please occupy one of the chairs?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Mr. Feliciano, since based on the manifestation of Alice Goo, wala naman siyang naitulong siya sa'yo 2016 and 2019 na eleksyon. Sino ang mga taga-Banban na malaki ang naitulong sa'yo during those times of election?
Madam Chair, our town is small, 40,000 votes. During my term, I introduced a lot of improvements in my town.
Mr. Chair, can we direct the resource speaker to please be responsive to the question? Ang tanong po, Mr. Feliciano, sino po ang tumulong sa inyong manalo 2016 and 2019 election?
Before you answer, Mayor, can we ask the committee secretary to administer the oath of... have you taken your oath?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige, please. I'm sorry. Please continue, Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Feliciano, did you get the question?
Yes, ma'am. on my town, ang tumulong po sa akin, yung mga kababayan ko po. So yung mga kapitan, yung mga leaders ko, and yung mga family members ko po sa bayan namin.
How about your vice mayor? Did he help you?
Kasama din po sila. Si Vice Mayor William Cura po ang kasama ko.
Malaki bag na itulong sa ni vice mayor?
Physically po.
Physically. How about your council members? Did they help you?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm proud to say, on my second term, isa lang po ang nalaglag sa mga councilors ko.
So 7 of your 8 members
Yes, Madam Chair.
dedicated their support on your 2016 and 2019 election. How about the barangay captains? Ilan ho bang kapitan mayroon kayo?
Out of the 15 po, sa akin po lahat sila. And on my last term, wala po nalaglag sa ticket ko. 10-0 po kami lahat.
How many barangays do you have?
15 lang po.
1-5.
Yes, ma'am.
And the total of 15 barangays all supported you during your 2016 and 2019 election.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Kanina po sabi ni Alice Goo, wala siyang naitulong sa inyo 2016, wala din siyang naitulong sa inyo 2019, except yung botante na nagtatrabaho sa kanilang farm. Do you confirm that?
Yes, Madam Chair.
And aside from doon sa botanteng nagtatrabaho sa farm nila, mayroon ho ba kayong malalim na pinagsamahan ni Alice Goo? Like for example, nagka-problema ho ba kayo na ni-rescue niya kayo? Meron ho ba kayong mga ganyang pinagsamahan? Or nangutang ho ba kayo sa kanya at pinaluwag niya kayo?
Hindi naman po. During my time, because yun na po yung nagkaroon ng ASF, that's why most of the time po, pupunta po sila ng munisipyo, kasama po yung hog raisers to address the problem. So, doon lang po kami naging close, Madam Chair, because most of the time, papasyal po sila because na-wipe out nga po ang population ng hog and swine. So that's the time we had ample of conversations, Madam Chair.
Kung papipiliin ko po kayo, Mayor, si Alice Goo po ba? Friend or acquaintance lang?
Friend?
Friend.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have several other friends who might be more attached to you than Alice Goo. Do you confirm that?
Marami po, syempre.
Marami,
Opo.
no? Ang gusto ko pong itanong, Mayor, considering na si Alice Goo, wala namang naitulong sa inyo 2016. Wala ding naitulong sa inyo 2019. And you even said that there are several other friends who are more attached to you than Alice Goo. Bakit po siyang in-endorse niyong tumakbong mayor?
Madam Chair, during my time, dahil maliit lang nga po ang bayan namin, I believe a good businessman should be the one running the municipality or local chief executive.
Mayor, why do you say that Alice Goo is a good businessman?
Because from the time I knew her, 2016, siya na po ang sabihin na natin na responsible po doon sa mga piggery nila sa bayan ng Bamban. And it so happened, nakita ko naman na napalaki nila, and during the pandemic, nakita ko she was able to control yung pagkamatay po ng mga baboy nila. So a good businesswoman, so sabi ko, why not try and ask her if she wanted to run.
You manifest that you are the one who offered that opportunity to her?
Yes, Madam Chair, because...
Kayo po ang nag-alok, hindi niya hiniling.
Hindi po, kasi po, during that time, I had a falling out with my fellow, yung kaibigan ko nga, because I ran for Congress. So, it so happened, we had a falling out with my barangay captain. So, sabi niya, hindi ka pwedeng tumakbo, kailangan ako lang. I needed someone on my back. Mahirap pong tumakbo ng Congress kung wala ka pong mayor sa bayan mo. So, sad to say, ang option ko na lang was to ask her if she wanted. And then she said, sige, give me 30 to 60 days and I'll decide. And then after po noon, Madam Chair, after 60 days, so let's try it out. Let's ask her, yung mga kababayan natin, kung papayagan tayo. And then, everything fall through.
How about your vice mayor?
Ang vice mayor ko po, ang nangyari noon, nagpunta rin po rin sa kabila.
How about your council members?
At naiwan po sa akin lahat yung 7.
And you did not consider any of them
Wala po, ma'am kasi hindi
to succeed to your mayoralty?
wala pong capable. They're not capable of...
Aside from the piggery business, Mayor, what consideration did you consider, what factor did you consider why you offered the mayoralty to Alice Goo?
Wala naman po. Nothing came into me. Ganun lang po kasimple naman yun eh.
You just
Nothing.
offered the position to Alice Goo.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi during that time, it was already closed. Wala na akong magawa, ma'am, because
How close, Mayor?
no, the time frame during that time that my friend told me not to run, and we were already having a squabble kung sinong gagamitin ko as my candidate. Ma'am, masyado na maigsi yung oras. So wala nang panahon, ma'am.
I
Na
understand, Mayor, during your time, may Hong Sheng na.
Yes, ma'am. Meron na, ma'am.
So, do you confirm na kayo po ang unang nag-issue ng business permit sa Hong Sheng?
Yes, ma'am. I was the one.
And how do you describe the operation of Hong Sheng?
Actually, ma'am, nung sa Hong Sheng, hindi naman ako, ma'am, nakapasok doon because it was a regulated Philippine offshore gaming operator. And so, I believe Banban wasn't the one having the Philippine offshore gaming operations. Ma'am, during that time, nag-review din ako, nag-study rin ako. Almost 400 po nag-ooperate as far as Cavite, meron pong Cagayan Valley.
Let's
So,
concentrate to Hong Sheng, Mayor.
ayun nga, ma'am. So,
And do you confirm that the land being occupied by Hong Sheng belongs to Alice Goo?
yes, ma'am.
You confirm that?
Yes, ma'am, because she was the one who requested the letter of intent to me para po ma-endorse ko po sa Sangguniang Bayan to get the letter of no objection.
The Baofu.
Yeah, no, yung Hong Sheng po, ma'am, Hong Sheng.
You are stating now, Mayor, that you were the one who endorsed the letter of Alice Goo to Hong Sheng to
No.
be able to secure a letter or resolution of no objection.
Yeah,
That's what
because-
you said.
Yes, ma'am, because she endorsed the letter of intent to me. So ako naman, on my part, as a local chief executive, bibigay po ko na sulat sa Sangguniang Bayan to act on that request.
Alice, I remember last time you denied this. You said you never represented Hong Sheng.
Your Honor, I translate for Hong Sheng, and for Hong Sheng po, I invoke my right against self-incrimination for the cases filed at the court po.
But I wish to manifest, Mr. Chair, that in tonight's hearing, contrary to the representation of Alice Goo, Mayor Feliciano is now saying that it was Alice Goo who approached him and facilitated the resolution interposing no objection to the establishment of Hong Sheng, in which SEC documents the name of Alice Goo appears as representative, which fact Alice Goo likewise denied during the last hearing. Mayor Feliciano,
Yes, Madam Chair.
during your congressional bid, simultaneous with the mayoralty of Alice Goo,
Yes, Madam Chair.
ano pong itinulong sa inyo ni Alice Goo?
Yung pong makapagsalita po ako sa entablado niya, malaking bagay na po sa akin yon.
Sabi niyo po, magaling na businesswoman si Alice Goo.
Yes, Madam Chair.
So what support did she extend to you during your congressional bid?
Sa bayan lang po ng Bamban, yung maisama ka na dun sa grupo niya na hindi ka na maglalagay ng entablado, tapos yung pagbayad po sa mga watchers, so hindi na po niya ako hinasel. So that is fine and tama na po para sa akin yon.
So there are no campaign funds that were extended to you?
Wala po, kaya po natalo ko, yun lang pong sa akin.
How many towns do you have in your district?
Madam Chair, we have 4.
4 towns.
Yes, Madam Chair.
And ang naitulong lang ni Alice Goo is the audience
Yes, Madam Chair.
during the campaign period. Tama ba?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Is that the only thing that you're expecting from the businesswoman whom you describe as a very good businesswoman?
On my part po kasi, Madam Chair, what I learned was when you try to run for office, kung may magbibigay ng tulong, salamat. Kung wala, salamat din para at least wala pong magsisisihan sa bandang uli.
I'd like to go back to Hong Sheng, Mayor.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Mayor, do you understand that this Hong Sheng was later on found out to be a POGO operation?
Madam Chair, yung pong letter of no objection was part of a PAGCOR license given by our gaming industry. So alam ko po na ganun talaga siya. And I believe Philippine offshore gaming operators are legally in a sense.
Can you describe to us how many buildings are erected in Hong Sheng?
I'm not really sure kung ilan po yung
Approximate.
5 or 6.
And do you recall kung magkano ang real property tax na ibinabayad sa inyo during that time?
Ngayon po, more than 15 million po.
During your time, Mayor?
Yes, that was yung pong pagbaba ko po.
More than 15
Yes,
million?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And where were you nung na-convert ito as Yunzuan Corporation?
Wala na po
Was
ako
it
noon.
during your term?
No, hindi na po. Because later part na po kasi yun noong 2022 eh. And then, baba na po ako noon.
How about the Baofu land, Mayor? When Alice Go acquired this land, what is the classification of this land?
This land was agricultural and then she requested for a reclassification way back 2019.
So it was during your time when the land was reclassified.
Yes, Madam
It
Chair.
was reclassified from agricultural to industrial. Do you confirm that?
Residential and commercial, Madam Chair.
From residential to?
No,
Commercial.
agricultural, residential / commercial.
From agricultural to residential commercial. And
Yes,
per
ma'am.
your recollection, do you believe that the requirements for reclassification were duly complied with?
Yes, Madam Chair, I believe so.
Yes. And with respect to Hong Sheng, Mayor, the entire process of this resolution or letter interposing no objection, it was Alice Goo who was representing Hong Sheng. Do you confirm that?
Yes, Madam Chair, because her name was written also on the Sangguniang Resolution.
And aside from the name being written in the Sangguniang Bayan Resolution, it was Alice Goo, or likewise, who is lobbying with the Sangguniang Bayan, and even in your office. Do you confirm that?
Actually po, hindi naman naglabi. She just submitted the letter of intent.
How
To
many
my office.
times did she visit your office to represent Hong Sheng?
Twice.
Twice.
Twice, I think.
If you are aware, how many times did he visit the Sangguniang Bayan for the purpose of that no objection for Hong Sheng?
Once.
I wish to manifest, Mr. Chair, that contrary to the statement of Alice Goo, that she never represented Hong Sheng during its application for permit and even in the issuance of letter or resolution of no objection. John Feliciano is now testifying that it was Alice Goo who represented and facilitated the no objection resolution for Hong Sheng, the POGO operation. I submit, Mr. Chair.